Look at the state of him. Ow. Ow. Oi. Alan. Can't hear a fucking thing. Anyway, welcome back. Cheers everyone for coming back, watching the videos. Thanks for your support. There's had a bit of a crap couple of weeks just doing filler work on vans. A bit boring to do videos of that, so just thought I'd do one now before we start some other little bits. Look at that. This is what I'm working with. He says. Right, what we got on? We've got Lambretta we done. Where he fitted it onto the bike, scooter or whatever. It had a buffer behind here, and as he's fitted it up, pressure on it, vibrations when he's riding it, put a crack in the filler. So we've had to rub it back where it's separated from the metal, prime it. I'm going to mask these off, base coat up round here, scotch it all, take that off, lacquer it all in, get it back to him so we can go and have a play on it. We've got Audi R8, my mate's Audi. A couple of these side panels, fins, whatever they're called, fuck knows. They look smaller in the picture. What else? We had a boy messaged us, he'd gone up someone's arse in his car. Need to supply and fit a new bumper. The bumper's come out, no sensor holes in it, so was going to get it painted, but I had to go up the Tunbridge, measure the sensor holes before I could paint it. We went up there yesterday, nice little jolly out. Come back, going to get these all cut out today. Have a look. We've got one here. One down here. I'm glad I went to measure them because I was going to cut the bigger circle out, just at a guess, just so I could get it painted. But when I went out, it's the smaller one. So yeah, I'm glad we've done that. Have a look at the old bumper. Flip her over. Brand spanking. 600 quid's worth of bumper. What a piss take. Anyway, I've got to get that painted today. I'll try and get that painted today. And that. There go black. Alan's rubbing a note down. You farted, didn't you? Fuck's sake. Whole car made of filler. This looked better in the pictures, but hey ho, here's what it is. It's taken us a couple of months to get it this far. Hopefully get this painted by the end of the week, get MOT on it. Just going to do the outside, do the wheels. Don't know if to do them silver or grey or what. Not going to do the roof, just polish that up. Not doing the tailgate because there's only one little dent in it. I'm going to try and pop that out. This is what we've been doing all last week. This is what I lost all my money on last week. I'll put some pictures up of what it looked like before. But this is the back corner we was working on. We compare that to the pictures. Probably still find something to moan about. Oh, it's a bit wobbly. Yeah, it's quarter. Rear door. What's around here? Sliding door. Sill. Front wing. If I put these pictures up, you have a look what it looked like before. That's the kind of shit trade work we do. Right, these holes, I haven't got any hole cutters because that's how I roll. Never need them, so I don't buy them. I'm gonna do a little pile of holes, stick a bigger drill bit in and bore it out, file it, whatever, neaten it up, and then chuck some primer on it. Oosh. Fucking there's one. Oh shit, looks like a fucking egg. Hopefully by the time I send 200 hours in there you won't notice. Audi bits set up. Oh real. I'm going to chuck a bit of paper over them. So I ain't got time to do them today. We got beamer bumper. Have a blowout in here. Degrease them. Chuck some wet on this bumper. I'll fuck off home.